This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. Today we're going to be looking at some of the trades we've taken on the S&P 500 and pound to the US dollar this week. If you want to stay up to date with the trades that we're currently taking, then head over to the Telegram group. The link for that will be in the description below. So our first position here, we entered after getting the signal from the Elder algorithm. And I ended up catching something around 400 pips on this move, and I set my stop loss to around 200 pips, which gives us a nice 2-to-1 risk to reward. And if we drop down to the 5-minute chart, we also had a lot of opportunities here. As you can see, we had some really nice signals. So we just jump over to the pound to the US dollar. We go to the 1-hour chart. As you can see here, we've been in a downtrend now for some time. Price has been bouncing between this channel. We just hit the upper side of the channel and we've started to move down. So if we jump down to the 15-minute chart, you can see here we had a nice pullback here. Price had encountered the daily pivot point and we got the signal from the Elder algorithm. So I entered this position and set my stop loss to about 23 pips, and I was targeting the lows here at around 41 pips, which gives us about a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If you want to get your hands on this software, then head over to the website fletchertrading.co.uk.